Write and learn English alphabet. A, B, C, D. A for apple. A for apple. E. B for banana. B for banana. C for cat. C for cat. D for doll. D for doll. E for egg. E for egg. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. J for juice. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rose. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.